Hello, hello. Welcome to our 3 Healthy Bitters channel. If you're new to my channel is about healthy lifestyle, mind, body, and soul with a bit of laughter. Ha 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 ha. So as you could see, I have strawberries and lemon because I am going to make strawberry lemonade. Yes. I've had these strawberries around 5 days. I didn't get the chance to eat them like the next day. So I said, you know what, before they go get spoiled or rotten, let me just make one of my favorite stuff that I like to have, favorite juice that I like to have in the summertime. That is strawberry lemonade. And I also like lemonade homemade style. Check it out. Placed some ice in the blender, and now I'm going to place one lemon, okay. So now I'm adding the strawberries. Guys. So yeah, can you see strawberries? Yeah, I'm adding the strawberries. Decided to just make a quick video because after this I'm going outside, so I will definitely take my lemonade with me. And now I'm adding the water. So 2 bottles of water inside here in my blender. I won't be making a lot, just for me, myself, and I. Actually, my son might have some too. There you go. You could see I have lemon, strawberries, ice. This is optional, this part. I am going to add some honey. If you want, you could use molasses, you could use brown sugar, but I am going to use honey, okay? Okay, wow, look at that. All right, there you have it. Simple ingredients that you could read. You know, the fact that you make it at home, you know exactly what you're putting into your body. So yeah, I enjoy making stuff like this. I enjoy making my own stuff. All of the ingredients that I added in this strawberry lemonade is simple. You can read it and it's good for you, okay? Everything that I added here is 100% natural, no artificial flavor. So yeah, I just had to put that in there. So let's begin. Is it on? Is it on? I think that's beautiful. Still blending. This one. Okay, let's open this. Wow, it smells good. Okay, and this, I'm not going to strain it. I'm not going to strain this. I am going to pour this inside my bottle. The next part of this video is this. If you notice, I only add one lemon to the mixture, to the blender. So what I'm going to do is squeeze the rest in this bottle. I have 2 lemons to squeeze inside this bottle. Sorry, my little one is there, but I have to carry on with my video. He is doing fine. He is well. Guys, I had to stop this video to attend to my little one. So now I'm squeezing 2 lemons inside this bottle. Okay, squeeze it, okay. Okay, I'm squeezing it. Can you see the lemon juice? So let me explain this again. I added 1 lemon to the blender because I think I've tried making it without the lemon, like adding the entire lemon, and it tasted all right. But there was this other time I made it with the lemon and I could taste more flavor. I actually enjoyed that one. So I said, you know what, I'm going to make it that way again. So it depends on the amount that you're making. Because I'm not making a lot, I just added 1 lemon. Because the lemon skin, the zest, it gives it an additional flavor that is out of this world. So I really had to do that. But for the rest, all you need to do, because lemon has got seeds inside it, remove the seeds and squeeze, 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 squeeze the remaining lemons using a strainer also. Okay, as you could see, I squeezed the lemons inside here, and now I am adding the entire strawberry lemon to this container. Look at that beautiful color. Look at that beautiful homemade strawberry lemonade. Look at that, guys. Wow, 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 wow. Look at the color. It smells good, good, good. Let me add some more to it. My baby's saying good. All right. Let me get another container. Yes, I've got 2 glasses. Yep, yep, yep. There you have it. And again, if you want, you could strain it as well. But if you notice, I didn't add much. Oh, this one is like a smoothie right there. So what I could do is add some of this to this one. Okay. There you have it. Homemade strawberry lemonade. Okay, I like it with a little the bitses, like the bits from the strawberries. So this is fine for me. But in case if you don't like the bits in it, you could strain it. Yeah, you could get a small strainer and strain it. Okay, so thank you all. Wow, look at, I love the color. I love the color of my strawberry lemonade. This one is more like the smoothie. I need to stir it up, but that's fine. I am going to enjoy this refreshing homemade juice made by R3 Healthy Bitters. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, share, like, comment. This is it, guys. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Lovely. Enjoy.